What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have for you a parody from Jurassic World, which I call Jurassic Puppy. So I made this scene based off of a real scene from the movie, and I will leave a link to that scene and the timestamp. You should put it in the description. And I'd recommend checking that out so you can see the real scene versus the one that I made with puppies and Legos. But that is all. I worked hard on it, and I really hope you enjoy it. Ladies and gentlemen, I present Jurassic Puppy.
Evacuate the island.
Come on, you know you want it.
Oh, no! No, don't eat us, please! Stop!
Puppy! Right there.